Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to sew two crochet panels seamlessly. I am working on this project and I am attaching this ribbing to the main body of the shirt. You can see here that there is no bump and no bulges to the sewing, and there is no bleeding in of the colors. I will continue sewing and I will show you how it's done. To sew, you're going to need the darning needle, thread a yarn through and attach it to one of the panels. Normally ribbings do not have these stitches, so I have made one row of single crochets across one side of the ribbing. Hold both of the panels in your hand like this. We will be working on the panel with which the yarn is not attached. So go into one of the stitches, go under and out from the next stitch, just like it's shown here. Go under and out, pull the needle out all the way through. Now we will go back ribbing. Go into the stitch where the thread is already coming out from. Go into that stitch, under and out from the next stitch. Now pull the needle out all the way and tug on the yarn lightly. So go back to the other panel, go into the stitch where the thread is already coming out from, go under and out from the next stitch. You are going to repeat this method back and forth from one panel to the other, from one stitch to the other. Go into the stitch, under and out from the stitch, from the next stitch. You can use this method for any type of projects. You can use it to attach to granny squares. You can use it to attach panels of a sweater or cardigan together, or you can use it to attach ribbing to the main body like I'm doing here. All you need to do is make one row of single crochets across one side of ribbing. This method only works if we have these stitches on both panels. So here we have reached almost at the end of the sewing. There's nothing more to it. All you have to do is go into one stitch, under and out from the next stitch. Go until the very last stitch is done. No stitches left behind. Here you can fasten off with a knot and weave in your ends, and you're done. You can see it's really neat and no bleeding in of the colors. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.